Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Seebiedeebie, and today we're going to be doing a review and try on of the Easitension volumes. So I got these in their newer color amber, and then I also have the volume in just the black. So I got them in 10 and 12 millimeters. So this is what I got. So I got the ambers in 10 and 12 millimeters. And then I have the same style in black, but in 10 and 12 millimeter. So today, I am going to, I'm not sure. We're just going to play around, I guess. But these do look pretty different from the ones I tried on before. You can see my video where I tried on the whole kit. I'll link it up there somewhere. And so let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lash leads glue here, and I'm gonna use this glue to apply the lashes. So as always, I have my mirror here is down below me so I can apply these underneath my lashes. And so yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. So the lashes do come in this nice little packaging with the plastic thing. I think they range anywhere from $8 to $10. Sometimes they have sales on Amazon. But again, I got the 10 and 12s, and this is what they look like. This is how they come right here. These are the volumes. And I got the same style. These are close-up of the ambers. You can tell it's got a really nice brown color. It's not too red of a tint as some lashes I have tried on before, but I think it has a really nice brown to it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do one side black and one side amber, and we're going to see if you guys can tell a difference or if there is even a difference. I'm gonna do my glue a little bit different. I'm gonna grab a lash pad here, and I'm gonna put some glue on here, and then like that, and then I'm gonna dip. Where did my thing go? So I'm gonna put some glue on like this, and then I'm gonna dip the band of the lash into the glue and put it on. I'm gonna dip it in. If you guys hear walking around, that is my dog. She's walking around. She sounds like she's anxious about something. So let me get a paper towel here, and I'm gonna wipe off the excess on the back of it. Okay, so I am done with this side. This side is the amber side. I have 5 clusters on there, and I really can't tell that I have lashes on. You can see that it's a little bit thicker, but this amber on dark hair lashes, or anybody with dark hair, you can't really tell that you have any lashes on. It really doesn't help bring out my eyes at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this eye with the black, same style, same length. So I'll go ahead and fast forward through that, and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, so this is the final look with both eyes. I have the black on this side and then the amber on this side. So what do you guys think? I definitely think the black side shows a lot more than the amber. But the style is super pretty. So I will say that this new method that I tried with the glue of putting the glue on the lash pad and then dipping your lashes in there, the glue does dry up fairly quickly. So I did have to do like 2 dabs of the glue on the pad, but as you can see, it's drying and it's clumping up. And it's pretty sticky, but not on my hand too much. So I'm gonna try to see if how I can get this off here, but I like to work one lash at a time, so that's why I try this dipping method. I know a lot of people like putting the mascara brush on right on their lashes. I just find that a little bit sticky to work with because I like to align my lashes perfectly underneath or on top. So I just like to be more precise and work a little bit slower. But it is working out okay. And see, these are the lashes. They are very, very pretty. They look good from underneath, very voluminous. I am liking them so far, but I don't think the brown is doing too much of a difference for me. Definitely prefer the black better, but you know, that's different for everybody. If you have light hair, the amber one might work better for you. But I thought I'd try it out just to kind of see what I thought it would look like against my super jet black hair. So it's definitely a no for me, and I probably won't buy that color anymore. But I just thought I figured I'd show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this little review. So I'll have everything linked down below as far as the lashes and the glues that I used, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.